Now I'm coming to the Sheraton Grand at Danang. Hello. Like to check in
Yeah,
at which?
this way.
Okay.
Okay, you're welcome to the
Oh,
pool shower.
thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, just put it here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So here you got the welcome drinks. It looks pretty beautiful color. Something sour, but lemon juice. Very nice.
As you are a platinum member and a loyalty member with us, we would like to introduce you the welcome gift. The first one is 1,000 points for your stay. The second one is the local gift and the breakfast. Your booking have
The breakfast,
the breakfast.
right? Yeah.
So which one in two of
What
these?
is a local gift?
And this is the special Hoyan lantern.
London.
Lantern.
Oh, okay. I'll take the point.
Yes, certainly. This is some privilege for you. This is the suite, but you already booked the suite.
Okay, okay.
If you book a lower position,
Awesome.
we also upgrade to suite.
Okay, I
Yeah.
thought I'll get a bigger suite. No problem.
This is
And
the
they
welcome
check out.
amenity. Free access to the enhanced internet Wi-Fi and the complimentary late checkout at 4 p.m.
Okay.
I have.
Okay, yeah.
This is-
Then not available.
And then because we are the resort,
Yeah,
unfortunately
and,
we don't have the executive lounge.
Mhm.
But instead of that, we would like to invite you 2 cocktails for 1 person. So you
Oh,
have
okay.
2, so totally you have
For
4
drinks?
cocktail for drinks
Yeah.
from 5:30 to 7.
Okay, great.
Thank you, sir.
Check-in is very fast, and then you have the welcome drinks over here, and we got a complimentary welcome high tea over here. The wind is very chilling, so I think I will decide to sit outside over here, and then to enjoy the afternoon tea. Then I'll go to the room. Our room is 2644, and this is a very big property, so that I will need the staff to bring me to the room. Okay.
You insert the key from the door when the light ring and then open.
Oh.
Welcome to your room.
Take a look of the room over here.
Is it the room key? Yes.
Okay.
May I have few minutes to introduce about your room?
Oh, that'd be great if we can do it together.
We already set up a amenity to welcome you come to the hotel.
Oh, that's very cute.
You will enjoy your stay with us.
Oh, that's cool.
The view.
Oh, wow. So, let's check out the view. And as we mentioned earlier, this is Southeast Asia largest swimming pool right over here. So later we're going to have a short little walk after the room tour.
But if you open the balcony, the air conditioner will automatically turn on.
We have a very spacious living room right over here with a dining table, with a very small kitchen and a fridge and Nespresso coffee, and Bon Cafe.
Tea, 2 water over there, and this coffee is free for you and will be refilled every day. The item over there will be charged.
It's very nice room, and you have a lot of natural light in the room, and then with a very great sea view. So once you wake up, you will see the beach, and then yeah, the color is very nice.
In the bedroom, we set up the hair dryer inside the sink, and it's just only you outside the bedroom for safety reasons.
Here is the bathroom that you have 1 bathtub over here, and then 1 standing shower, and there's a toilet bowl with a bidet. And this is the what they call the shampoo for most of the Sheraton hotel. They'll be using this. Also, there's 2 bottles of the drinking water right over here. Oh, I start to love this hotel now.
In the wardrobe, we set up the safety board, slip, umbrella, iron, yes. And this is the laundry service.
Okay. This room is very, very big, and then you can see the beach. Very good view.
If you have any assistance, please turn on and dial number 0 for our service center.
beautiful. You can see that from in front at the lobby, from far away until right over here to this side to the beach. It's like a infinity pool. It's the first time come to such a long swimming pool. It looks amazing to me. It's just a short walk and then you can reach to the beach. And such a beautiful beach, but there are not much people at the beach. The beach is very clean. It's like white sand, and then just no crowd. Over here there's also an activity for you to play with the rental, a kayak, the paddle, surfing board, and this is called basket boat. So you pay for 250,000 dong and you get 30 minutes lesson to learn how to sail this. Interesting. Yeah, I got the free ice cream from the poolside, coconut and the vanilla, so I'm going to choose the coconut flavor. Thank you very much. Ta-da! I got free ice cream! I have to say that the water here is like very nice. It's very comfortable, it's not too cold, it's not really warm. From what I heard by a couple from Canada, they were telling me that now is the low season. This is why there's not much people in this hotel and not much people at the beach. You see that? It doesn't look like very deep water. It just have a very strong wave. So just now the guy told me that when the wind is strong, it's very good to play with this surf sail or something, blah blah blah. Yeah. Still a very clean beach without crowd. As a platinum guest, that you will be receive 2 drinks per guest at the evening as a happy hour at the bar behind me, and I choose a sparkling wine, so you will get salted peanut and 2 drinks for each guest. I'm going to the Zoom. And it's after 9 PM. The gym will need the card to access. Right over here. Hopefully no people inside. Okay, very good. It's a very decent gym. The equipment all looks very new. It's good enough for a cardio. Yeah. A good workout. And then I saw there is a nice drinks over here, apple, infused water, and what is this, cold tower and cold drinks. I can take it and then there will have no music for the gym. And this is a cardio room. And so far I think everything is still what I like. It's still a really grand hotel to me, and the staff is very professional. They can speak very good English, and the swimming pool is very impressive. What else? Yeah, I think if you have a chance, you can come over here to stay in this hotel, Grand Sheraton. It's about 25 minutes away to the Hoi An old city. It's beautiful. I just came back from that, and then I have a wonderful dinner over there, and then now I'm going to sleep. I'm very lazy. Yeah. Now I'm going to walk you to a tour to show you what do they have for their breakfast. There are lots of options, and I can see from here. Okay, here you have it's not vegetarian. It's a very long queue over here, so I'm going to do it the shoot like this. They have the sausages, you have the fried rice, you have the bird, you have 3 different noodles, and then there's the egg stations. And the porridge section is very cool, that you have the youtiao, that one that I like. And that guy is picking up the kimchi, chawanmushi, which is a steamed egg. And the dim sum, you have, I've never seen that. I think it's a mantou. And then kimchi and the sauces for the dim sum. Sushi, the sushi rice is a little bit hot, and the sashimi of the tuna is very nice, very fresh. Then have the cold card, and this is banh mi. The banh mi is very nice, I like it very much. And then you have the salad stations, and then the juice stations, and then the tea, coffee, and then back to this coffee lady that I had the coconut coffee, it's very nice. And right over here you have the ice cream, cereal. The selection of cereal is quite a lot. And then you have the waffle stations. And then the bread. The selection is very good. Oh, homemade yogurt. And bread again. And the cheeses. Oh god, blue cheese. It's very strong. You can smell the blue cheese already. And you also have a lot of fruits. The passion fruit looks good. And the watermelon looks good. Right over here, then the staff will actually bring the coffee around. You will have the Vietnamese coffee, milk coffee, coconut coffee, and I got not enough time to read that.